Shit. I did not expect that to happen. Uh, Good morning, people of the world. So, this is my vlog, and people are texting me very good because I am so freaking popular. God, I really need to. I think when I'm recording my vlogs, I should literally stop with the internet, or I should just disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Oh God. So today is 1st of July, and like I'm at my sister's house. Just got up, वगैरह वगैरह. It is almost gonna be 10 o'clock. No, it's actually not. It's not gonna be 10 o'clock. It's 9:36. Yeah, and today I've got a lot of work, so let's see how it goes. Like, technically, I have to clean my house. So, I've got to clean my house. I've got to uh, do my writing stuff, etc. And like, let's see how it goes. Like, what else I have to do. Bye. वो I am. अबे यार कितना मैसेज डालते हैं यार ये बच्चे लोग. Yeah, so many mess. Any which place, I have come back to my house, and literally, look at this. My whole house is literally in a freaking mess because look at this. If you can look, that is, my God. Like, literally, my whole house. That's the bed which I disassembled. थोड़ा सा डार्क है, थोड़ा सा ब्राइट है. Damn, I'm clumsy. And this is literally the whole freaking halat of the bed. And like literally everything is in a freaking mess. So I have to clean this up. First thing first, I need to assemble the bed. Then clean up whatever I can. And literally, Tiger is in this room. And I will let you guys meet him later on. So, ciao, ciao. Mera bheja mat khao. Nobody's gonna laugh on that joke. So it's around 2:36. I'm tired as F. At least 25% of that bed has been done. 25% is remaining, and my room is looking like a shit, just like I am. And that's my reliable old gadda that I sleep on. This is the another 25% of the bed, and it still needs to be done. So let's hope that it is done before 5 o'clock. I had to literally shift the whole goddamn bed in a tilted manner because of that. Because of that mattress, I could not freaking put the bolts back. So this is 50% done. It's still remaining. The top covers need to be put. But before I do that, I need to go and take some things and put in that side of the bed. Okay, so now I'm in the hall and we are going through some stuff. What all we are going to put in that side of the bed. So I'm checking out, and most of these things are technically my childhood toys. So if anybody remembers this, okay, this doesn't work anymore. This is supposed to be that Morpher, that SPD Morpher. I was way crazy for Power Rangers. And obviously Beyblade. I don't even know where the freaking Beyblade is. And if anybody knows what these are supposed to be cassettes that we used to use on a music player, and like you used to play music. And this is supposed to be Crazy Frog, because this was like my jam. Crazy Frog was my jam. Like, I had almost every kind of Hot Wheel car because I was mad crazy for Hot Wheel cars. This one was my favorite, but इसके ऊपर पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. It's like literally like corroding or something like that, and something just came into my eye because I scratched that crap. Okay, definitely shouldn't have touched that. Okay. Oh, I found something. Okay, so basically, there's a story behind this one. Okay, so I was maybe in the 8th or the ninth standard, and I had really like gotten like some 55% in my examination. And technically, in our household, if you want to get toys or something like that, you need to score at least above 60%. It was not a tough rule, but like, yeah, 60% or at least just pass bhi ho gaye, so you can. But for me, it was like 60%. My mother had told me, agar you want to buy a toy, you need to have 60% se zyada in your total this thing. So that time I think I had gotten 55 or 58%. That was the lowest I have ever scored. And my sister had scored really good in her exams, so we had gone to the toy shop and we were getting Alia Barbie and stuff like that, and I came across this toy. Okay, and like usually, you know, obviously my mother is a woman of her word, so she will not buy me this. But when she saw that I was looking at it, but I did not demand for it, I definitely did not demand for this. I was looking at it. I really wanted to have this, but I did not make any demands. But my mother saw me looking at this, and I just turned away because I knew I was not gonna get it. So without my like knowing that she's gonna buy this, she just picked it up. And when we reached home, she gave this to me, and she said, "Koi baat nahi. Even if you've got 55%, whatever. At least you did your best. And if you wanted this, you could have just told me." And I was so happy to have this with me. Like, I was like so mad and crazy. And then this went in my storage. Like, wow. And most of them are soft toys, but that shit went into my eye and it's burning. So most of them were soft toys, even though technically guys never have soft toys. They've always had these cars and stuff like that. They will not have plushy toys. I had a big thing for plushy toys. As a matter of fact, if you see this teddy bear, this was supposed to be like when I was what, 4 or 5 years old. It was twice as huge as me for my time. So this was technically my sister's. This one was technically my sister's. Actually, this was supposed to be my mom's teddy bear when she was a kid. But she took so utmost care of this, and look at how I've taken care of it. So I had this teddy bear, okay, and this used to like literally be really like, you know, very prickly, and I never used to like this. But yeah, this was my teddy bear, but I never used to like this because this was very small for me. I was crazy behind this big guy, and I always wanted to have this. And I used to fight with my sister, like, please meko de do, please meko de do. And she used to be like, no, this is mine. I can't give this to you. You're a boy, na? Go play with your cars and all. And then I cried, I really cried like really bad. And then my sister felt so bad for me that she gave it to me. So this is actually with me. But because I did not want it to get spoiled, I put it in the storage in the bed, and I did not even come to know that this is the halat it's become. So now I'm thinking that I'm going to keep this in my hall. Yeah, let's see if I can find something else that I can. Okay, so one of the things that like literally I am petrified of is frogs. But this frog was like my coping mechanism for being not afraid of frogs. This is the only frog. I don't remember what I named it, and iska bhi bichari ka, because it's a female, by the way. It's definitely a female. I don't know how, but I thought this was a female. This bichari ka pura plastic is corroding now. Kharab ho gaya, obviously, obvious reasons. Let's see, what can we see? Okay, well, I was in second year of my college. I was still learning how to use the DSLR, and these books I had gotten with the camera were really amazing, and it really helped me out. And obviously, trial and error, I learned my photography level. But these books were the reason why I started beginning to understand my camera. And still, I do not like handle this very well. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, I was crazy behind walkie talkies. Okay, I really loved walkie talkies, and Spider Man was to my favorite hero, वगैरह. And anti-heroes में I was very mad over that, what is his name, Venom. This was my shit. I used to love playing with this. I used to give one to my sister, and I used to say, sister, you need to talk in this. We will be talking. And she used to be like, our bedrooms were like just one step distance. So I could just go into her bedroom. But I always used to be crazy behind these walkie-talkies, and I used to say, Alia, you have to like literally talk in this. I'm not coming in your bedroom. And my favorite ass toy, my most favorite plushie toy that I had was Mr. Owly. This is one of the favorite plushie toys that I had. His name was Mr. Owly. And because of this literal toy, I told my mother I want a pet owl. Like literally, because I had this, and this makes some kind of like tinkling voice because I got something in it. But I used to be crazy, and this is also going to be out. It's not going to go back in storage. What else can I show? Let me see. Okay, so Winnie the Pooh and बेचारी की आंखें yellow हो गई. It's stoned as fuck. Okay, so I also loved puppets, like literal hand puppets. So I made my mother buy this for me. I was crazy for them, and my mother used to wear these, and she used to make my mood all. Whenever my mood was effed up, she would just be like, "ये पहन के." She used to do that. Like, wait, let me show you how. Like, I can't even wear this because I've got my camera in my one hand and I've got this in my one hand. So somewhat like she used to be like, oh, you're feeling so bad. And this thing that I have, right? This somebody starts awing me, I start to turn pink. It's because of my mother. Technically, my mother used to use this Winnie the Pooh, and she used to be like, oh, Amir is very angry right now, and vagera vagera. And I used to start turning pink. So anybody who thinks that just because they are teasing me and I'm blushing, it's not blush, it's something biological happening inside me. Okay, what else can I show? So puppets are one thing that will really lighten up my mood. Take notes, whoever wants to date me. Oh, reindeer! So I was mad crazy behind. I'm mad crazy behind everything. So I was like, I need a reindeer because I did not have a reindeer in my whole this thing. Alia had a deer soft toy. I didn't. So I wanted a reindeer. And बेचारे का literally मैंने क्या धज्जियाँ उड़ाता था इसके साथ. I used to like literally make it like throw it, and I used to be like, ये उड़ रहा है पागल की तरह. I even had a skateboard, but I never used it. Like, as you know how people ride on a skateboard, I never used to do that. I used to sit on that shit, and I used to like just like a lazy bum, I used to just drag myself. I don't know if I should keep that out or not. As I said, Spider-Man fan, so I obviously need to have a Spider-Man soft toy which is covered with spider webs, ironically. And another one of the things called as my Pink Panther. Oh my god, I actually sneaked this toy one time in my bag. I just kept it. It's just to show one of my female best friends. Because I was damn crazy behind this. And अभी तो ये थोड़ा dirty दिख रहा है, but he's not dirty. So I used to sleep with this. I used to be like crazy, and technically this was my sister's toy, but I grabbed it from her. I'm like, I'm not ever giving this back to you. And actually, this has stayed back with me. So this is the one thing. Panda and doggy, the Jodi, the epic jodi, doggy, my Dalmatian dog. Also, the reason why I literally ate up my mom's head to give me a Dalmatian dog as a pet. या तो वो उल्लू था या तो वो कुत्ता. It was like every soft toy that I had, I wanted a pet out of it. So this one, and बिचारी के तो पूछ I used to bite because I was teething, so I needed to bite something. बिचारी का मैंने पूरा ये कर दिया, but this was like, and I'm literally उसका गला घोट रहा हूँ. And my little pandu, इसका आँख ना is like literally very टेढ़ा, and nobody wanted him in the toy store because he's got one eye टेढ़ा. But I loved him for his imperfections. I said, Mummy, I want this, and she actually bought me. My mother has got me every crap that I've ever asked her for. And I am just thinking to myself, Mummy को like ये नहीं लगता था कि like he's a boy, why I should not buy him these soft toys and crap like that. Yeah, one time she did shout at me that I was playing with dolls, but then she understood that my son is different. Let him play with dolls, let him play with every crap he wants to play. As long as he's expressing himself, that is much better. And that's what you should do as a good parent. Boom. I stole this from my sister. She could never understand where this went. This is supposed to be that, I think this is supposed to be some kind of a mythical thing, but she got this from a Barbie doll, free में, and I took it, and she never came to know it was with me. सारे secrets निकल रहे हैं, आज ही के आज निकल रहे हैं. Okay, what else? It's already the introduction I've given to all my toys and everything. My God. So I think that's all. I have such things and all. And obviously these were like literally all of these were supposed to be those Happy Meal things that I used to get in my Happy Meal. So I used to collect, literally my phone was like, भाई साहब तू चुप हो जा, like literally बीच में ही काट दिया मुझे. So yeah, these were all my toys and I was crazy behind them, and now back to like keeping certain things back, cleaning them and keeping them back, because it's very necessary for me to keep them, because it's not good for me to keep the whole thing like this. My mother would have shouted me if she would be alive. Chalo, bye. I need to get back to stuff. So I was like literally putting everything back, and I came across this. If you guys can read or something like that. Okay, so this is the Wizard of Oz, and I actually was talking about this to my students, that what a wonderful film this was for children and everything. And I was searching for this CD because I knew I had this. My mother had given it to me, and it seems it was in the stuff inside the bed storage. And whoa, like I finally found it, and I'm gonna keep this out. I found another thing that I've always been obsessed about, and people who personally know me that I am a crazy fan for Pokemon. Like literally Pokemon. When I saw this in the store, I made my mother I literally ate her brains for this, and I was like, Mummy, I will not eat food. I will literally jump from the third floor. You have to buy me this. And she's like, how much drama you do? You would have told me that you want me to buy this. I would have bought. So my phone is literally acting like a bitch right now because the memory has gone. So I have to literally now transfer few of the videos from this to the laptop, so that at least I can continue with the rest of the vlog. So meet you guys later. I was talking and obsessing about my Pokemon obsession, and then it went like, too much of video space has been taken, now you need to shut it, asshole. Like literally ये phone रखने का फायदा क्या है? Like it's very good in everything, but still the memory sucks totally. 75% of the bed is done, but unfortunately the hinges on the wooden plank thingy broke while I was putting it, and now it doesn't open. The storage door doesn't open, but we still have one more door, and I hope I don't screw that up. But that literally broke. My sister told me I should take a help, but पागल हूँ ना यहाँ से. It's 12 a.m. अंधेरा हो गया. So almost most of the work is done. I'm gonna give Shibu food. It's raining. Yes, my love, I'm getting you food. Wait. I have to give Tiger food. I have to take him out as well. So let's get that done because it is very necessary for them to eat. Then I have to eat. And then let's see. I'll start working वगैरह and do my second vlog before I मतलब first vlog का I will be मतलब this vlog that is I'll be editing it and all and then I'll be like going and doing my second vlog. I'll start with my second vlog after I'm finished with taking Tiger on a walk. Here is Tiger. He always gives an F. Like if I'm recording or something, he'll look up like what happened, why is he taking my name, वगैरह. Your Tiger, इधर देखो. नहीं, अब he won't see. He'll just wag his tail when got into responding to my voice. Yo, sup, bitch? Lol, he's not gonna know because I called him a bitch. Taigo. See, keeps that. So he's literally having rice and his dog food. Some of the people think that I really don't give food to Tiger because of a certain angle I had shot a video. देखो कमीनो, मैं खाना देता हूँ. And I give him loads of food and he's not as skinny as y'all think he is. It was just because I gave him a bath that day and I did cut his hair and everything. That is the only reason why he was literally looking very skinny. ये बोलना बंद कर दो कि लाइक मैं खाना नहीं देता हूँ, मैं अपने जानवरों को भूखा मारता हूँ, because that's not true. I literally give them to eat. And finally it stopped raining so I can take him out for his walk as well. वरना वो बेचारे को फिर कहाँ वो करेगा, बाथरूम में उसको जाके करना पड़ेगा as usual. Okay, so usually this time of the night the roads are never empty. They are empty but not as empty as it is right now. I've taken him on the road and I'm still doing the vlogging thing, but it's not easy. So I guess I'm gonna end it with Tiger's walk because he doesn't give a damn. It's not easy to actually do vlogging with him in drains वगैरह, and I'm definitely not going to show him when he's shitting. So yep. Hope you like this video, guys. Send me a thumbs up, वगैरह, not the drinking wala, the YouTube wala. And I'm gonna shut this because he's gonna shit.